In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Analytics to your Gumroad profile. We'll start in Google Analytics. Open it in your browser and sign in if you're not already. On the setup screen for data collection, choose the web option. This tells Google Analytics that you want to track a website, which in this case will be your Gumroad profile. Now switch over to your Gumroad profile in another tab. Open your public profile page and copy the full link from your browser's address bar. This is the URL that visitors use to find your Gumroad page, and it's the address Google Analytics needs in order to track visits correctly. Go back to Google Analytics and paste that link into the website URL field. Just make sure it includes the correct protocol, usually HTTPS, and that there are no extra characters at the end. In the stream name field, type a clear descriptive name, something like Gumroad Profile, so you can easily recognize it later among other streams. When those fields look good, click Create Stream. Google Analytics will generate a new web data stream for your Gumroad link. On the confirmation page, look for the measurement ID. It typically starts with the letter G, followed by a dash and a string of letters and numbers. Click to copy that measurement ID. Keep it handy, you'll need it right away. Head back to Gumroad, open your account settings, then find the section labeled Third-Party Analytics. This is where Gumroad lets you connect external tracking tools. In the field labeled Google Analytics Property ID, paste the measurement ID you just copied from Google Analytics. Double check that there are no spaces before or after the ID, and that it matches exactly. When you're done, click Update Settings to save your changes. That's it, your Gumroad profile is now connected to Google Analytics. From here on, Google Analytics will start receiving data from visits to your profile. Keep in mind, it can take a little time for the first metrics to appear, and new streams often show limited data at the beginning while traffic accumulates. If you plan to name multiple streams in the future, keeping clear names now will help you find the right one quickly. And if you ever change your Gumroad profile URL, remember to update the website URL in the same Google Analytics stream so your tracking remains accurate. You've successfully linked Google Analytics to Gumroad using a web data stream and your measurement ID. Save your settings and you're all set.